Friends, before we continue with the lessons, I want to say something very important. Normally, creating a scene in visualization and making the scene high quality is clear. It requires a certain amount of time and momentum, so you need to work on the scene within a certain period of time. And while working on this, no matter which render engine you use, whether it's Twinmotion or a modeling program, friends, you need to know what, where, and how to use the library here. So you need to know where things are in Twinmotion. This is a topic that requires testing and effort. So, for example, you might be able to do this scene better than I can, or you might do it worse than I can, but this is a job that requires time, so don't give up immediately, because this is something that will settle over time. You will conduct experiments and tests over time. You need to tinker with the settings here. Different models, you need to bring it. Since the ambience and design of each model are different, the environmental adjustments you make will vary according to the structure of this building. Therefore, whenever you feel bored, take a break, come back, work again, but never give up and try to move towards the result by continuing. And don't try to finish it quickly all at once. In my educational life, there is something I have observed in the people I have taught 3D visualization. This is a very important tip. People want to quickly share visuals. For example, you want to show the visual here to your friend or to your family or to someone else. Of course, share it, but because there is a quality difference between the final sharing stage and the initial sharing stage, the negative feedback you receive from people when you share it initially might affect your motivation. That's why you, over time, with patience, by progressing slowly step by step, equip your scene until the final stage and make sure to share it and at the very last stage. Friends, these are important topics. When it comes to motivation, you provide your own motivation. Loving a job and continuing with it is related to the quality of the subject you have created within the work. But there's a situation like this here. If you don't know any subject, for example, I'm teaching you a completely new subject from scratch. To learn this subject, you need to progress with a certain amount of patience. After learning it, you need to recreate its benefits for you in such a scene or a different scene so that something emerges. And that's why we need to continue with patience. Friends?